How to speak to AI by the right way. This is our title for our tutorial in our video for AI or artificial intelligence. You have to focus with me and please bring your coffee and your cigarette and start with a paper and pen and understand me very well. Welcome in our channel TechZone für Leute von Deutschland. Herzlich willkommen für Italien. Benvenuti for French. Enchanté. Comment ça va for Spanish? Hola. Today we can speak about what is the command engineering or fundamental of prompt engineering. As you know, when you ask the chatgpt or give him a task, it's called a task, and the task have many parts, and not only the task, it's a mission for him or a job or work to do it. Let's start with our chatgpt module. We can ask him about something, but we will not be clearly like what. Sorry, it's Arabic, no problem. What is the air? He will answer me, but it will not give me the answer which I wanted. Because why? For why you must answer because I give him only a task. Work or job must AI do. That's only. But in the next slide you will understand it's about context. It's example. I can give you an example. What is air in physics? What is air in poetry? It's context. So I give him a path for his answer. As you see here, air is the maximum of gas make up Earth's atmosphere, and give me a public information about air, but there is no thing about physics or poetry. And if you write to him what is air in physics, what is air in physics, we will wait for the answer. This in physics air, he write it directly to you and give you sum and equation and many things about air. This is called context. The third slide here, it's about input. And in input, it's input meaning input data, it's meaning input. For example, I must give him organized character. Like example, I can ask him what is the organized character or what is the most smart character, and I can give him examples like Albert Einstein, Batman, Peter Parker for Spider-Man, and he will start to choose. So I give him an organized input. This about input. For output, it's about the way to show us the output, like Excel sheet. I can tell him right now our answer. What is the air? For example, answer me in schedule in Excel sheet. But there are here some mistake. What is the air? I forget the context. In physics, as you see, he will take much longer time because he will make a data sheet or Excel sheet data for his answer. But he will answer me. So as you see, he give me a link to download it, but I don't have Excel sheet here, but he give me exactly what I asked for. This about the output and input data. You give him a specific meaning, he give you the answer with specific meaning. There are about 3 slides more. Clear introduction. Clear introduction, we speak about it, and it's related to context. Why? As we see here, I give him introduction, clear introduction, answer me in Excel sheet. So he give me output with specific answer, download air in physics. This meaning he use everything in his database to answer you. Adopt a persona. Adopt a persona, it's give him a person like you are a writer. A writer. Tell me what is the air. Here I give him a persona, and his context, it will be about poetry or a nice book or something like this. Philosophy doesn't matter, but I give him or not give him a context, I just give him a persona. You are a writer. Tell me what is the air. For last slide, let's see the answer. As a writer, let me paint a picture for you. He used the words of air and the meaning of words, you know. Air is invisible ocean, we live in it, you know. He start to use some words from port, and all of saying it's like this. And in the end, would you like to version in the style a poem or a short story? He start to make more imagination and start to work by right way when you give him a persona. The last thing here, avoid leading the answer. For example, what is the most important word in the year? Same like data entry analyze or like data analysis. To avoid to give him the answer, just give him the task, the context with clear introduction, the input data, and the way of the showing data in output, and give him a persona. This is the most important thing. For now, don't forget to make like, share and subscribe, and if you have any question just ask me in our Telegram group. I will reply you. Don't be shy. So goodbye, see you soon.